back at it, knock consensual towing. We just pulled on this property. They've got something they won't tow, but she's called it in, so we're gonna go ahead and hook it. 13, 14. Oh, it's done. Let's see what it is. It's double park back there. Say what? Your who's?
My aunt. I'm about to go get her right now.
Hey, yeah, listen, you can't park there, man.
Huh?
The manager put a sticker on it to tow.
Yeah, I'm about to go get her.
Guy said it was his aunt's car. The only problem with that, he didn't know where he didn't know what unit she was in. I think he's lying is what I think. I don't think that's his aunt's car. I don't think he knows. This guy right here is giving me a thumbs up though. Guy that works for the property. My damn blood pressure's up a little bit on that one. Every now and again it'll run up, man. Usually it don't run up like this. I can feel it. This manager, she don't play that. She don't play around with people parking like that. You want to get towed, park in a spot you're not supposed to park. Leave your car sitting there long enough for her to put a sticker on it. She will tow it. Hello, how you doing? Hey, how you doing?
Hello, how can I help you?
Yeah, I got that one there.
Oh, for the car? Okay.
Yeah.
And also we have another car.
You got another one? Okay. This manager's got one more car she wants towed, which is fine. It just creates a little bit of a problem. I've already got one loaded. I don't want to lose the one I got, and I got to go up here and see if I can load the other one or not. Anyway, the other car over here, I'm gonna have to come back and get it. I have enough room to drag that car around with this truck. I just don't have enough room to be dragging it around. It's too tight of a parking area. Or I would try. If I had more room, I would definitely get that car on this wheel lift. But it's gonna be a smarter move to take the one I got off the yard. Take the one I got to the lot. Hey, we're rolling in. We should pull back in over here to get that other car that we couldn't get earlier. It's been about an hour. I'm gonna try to yank it if it's still here. The manager's already showed me where it's at, so I know where to go straight to get it at. What it is, man. Cars get towed, and they're going to continue to get towed as long as people keep continuing to park in areas that are not designated parking areas. This building here is parked in one of these spaces that are numbered. Now these are numbered spaces. I've towed them out of this area right here too, parking somebody else's parking spot. You just can't do it. Anyway, enough yapping. I'm gonna pull up here and write this ticket up and get it back to our yard. Anyway, stay tuned. We might run into somebody. Documents, well, I'll get y'all squared up and I'll call dispatch. Y'all can pay it out and you get it. I'll let him know. All he's got to do is move that car right there up that way and you should be able to get out. Yeah. But we'll get with him. He's out here somewhere. But yeah, just tell her to get her documents and I'll square up. We'll square up. This yard is packed house. Yeah, he found a car. I'm glad it's not buried in a hole. Okay. It's not buried too bad, so he got to move one car and he should be able to get it out. But we'll square up and get it paid out, and I'll get him to bring it out. All right, thanks. Yeah, thank you. Oh, you got a new tag and everything now?
Yeah, we already had it. We had it in the car the whole time.
Oh man, listen, if you threw the back deck lid, they wouldn't even have got towed. And see, the properties don't have any way of knowing.
Yeah. Yeah, I tried because there's no number on the paper, so.
Well, there's signs up. By law we have to have signs posted in the entrance. There's signs up, and the office would have told you too.
Yeah, just put it in the back window right now, Mike.
If you would have called the office, they would have told you our number. Yeah, they would have told. Sorry, y'all got, man, I hate to see you get towed with a good tag. You know? Dang.